To define a function, there are 5 types of parameters. The first one, positional or keyword parameters. To call the function, the first argument as positional argument, the second one as keyword argument, and it will work. It's positional only. You have to add this slash in the parameters list. var positional, an arbitrary list of positional arguments that can be passed to a function in addition to other positional arguments already accepted. Keyword parameters correspond to keyword arguments that can be passed to the function in addition to other keyword arguments that have been accepted by other parameters. Keyword only parameters are keyword parameters that can be supplied only by keyword arguments. You can specify them by preceding them by an asterisk, as in here, in addition to other keyword arguments that have been accepted by other parameters. They also can be specified by preceding them by var positional arguments. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or concern, let me know in the comments below. Bye!